Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to DIY Sewing Lady, and my name is Corinthians Williams. Right now, this, even though it's blinking, is not working. So you're going to see me reach to shut my camera on and off, unfortunately. Let's go over to my crafts/office room. Sometimes it looks like this, all nice and clean. But when I'm sewing it looks like this. I have to reorganize everything. Okay, so I'm in the hallway now, and I thought it would be best to show you me entering my sewing room so you can see the entire room, okay? Okay, so that's where I keep my ironing board and my other containers that I have my sewing things in. And as you can see, I have a stepper here that I hardly get on, but I need to get on it. And this is what I'm working on right now. My next video is going to be about this dress. We're not going to focus on it today. And that's my garbage can up real high because I have a dog by the name of Kobee who's going to be interrupting my videos, so I'm going to make sure that you are introduced to him as well. This is my sewing machine that I use most of the time, and it's sitting on top of a sewing machine that has a part that comes out and lays over so that I can sew and lay my material up there as I sew. So I use both machines. And this is my office, my desk, where I occasionally sit my beautiful plants. I love plants and animals. That's another desk there. And my copier and my table that folds up and goes behind the door over here whenever I put it up. But as you see, I got stuff sitting all on the floor, and on the cabinet. This I don't watch very much. So behind this chair, excuse me if you see my fingers a little bit, you are going to see, and I am sorry about that. Okay, I took that hand down. Okay, so up underneath my desk here, somebody was selling this sewing machine at my church because she never sewn before. So it's a little primary, little simple machine, very light, not as heavy as the ones that I have. But I just paid $75 for it. Right now, today, it's worth between $200 and $149. So for a brand new machine, that was I don't think I'll be able to. Okay, I'll pull it out so that you can see it. For a brand new machine, I think it's fine. A little on the primary side for me, but it will certainly work if something happens to the two that I have. It was a pleasure meeting you and talking with you today. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. As I said, the dress that you see in the background, we're going to be talking about that one. My daughter encouraged me to make this channel. So I'm stepping out on faith and doing what she said, because I watch a lot of do-it-yourself and a lot of seamstress and tailors online. I can tell you now, I'm a do-it-yourself sewer. I do have patterns, but I don't use patterns very often. I find that patterns make me very confused sometimes. So I might start off with the pattern, but I wind up finishing the type of things that I, see myself in. And, just like artists, God gave us all different talents. and seamstress and tailors are the same. There's no wrong way unless you come out looking like Cousin It. For those of you old enough to know who that is, there's no right way and there's no wrong way as far as gifts is concerned. Yes, there is a right way and wrong way when it comes to sewing, but your actual gift, there's no right way and no wrong way. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some things that I have made so far. Not very many, but you'll be going on the journey with me. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope that you will subscribe and like this video. And I'm basically for the ones that's just like me. I'm not for the ones that you've been sewing for 100 years. My grandmother was a seamstress, but I didn't even know her that well. But it's obvious God gave me and another sister of mine, the gift that my grandmother had. But we all have it to in different degrees. So please don't get on my channel writing nasty remarks or whatever, because you don't sew like we do, us do-it-yourself people. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon. And I'll show you a picture of Mr. Kobee too. All right, bye-bye. There goes Kobee. That's my boy. And you'll be seeing more of him, I'm sure. Now he's being a good boy.